Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we divide both sides by dx. Next, we divide both sides by x. So we have xy and y over x. This one we can use about substitution. So I will put about y equal to v over x. So this one I can put v multiplied by 1 over x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have number 1 dv over dx multiplied by 1 over x. The next one, that is about negative 1 over x squared multiplied by v. That is about the product rule of derivative. So y we change by v over x. Similar for the second one. dy over dx we change for this one. Now we need to simplify x squared divided by x squared. We have v squared. Similar for this one. Next, we multiply both sides by x squared. Now, we put this one go to the right and we divide both sides by this one. So negative v I will put on the right and we have positive v. Now we do common denominator. So we need to expand. Negative will change the sign of this one. So v to the power of 3 minus v to the power of 3, they cancel. V plus v, we have number 2. Now we put this one go to the left, dx and s go to the right. Now we need to do integral for the both sides. Now I will put number 2 go outside. So v squared divided by v, 1 divided by v. And now we have the final answer. The integration of v, we have v squared over 2. The next one we have ln of the absolute value of v. The next one we have ln of the absolute value of x. And I will put about c. About v, that is about this one. we multiply both sides by x. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.